So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Avalanche coin ticker symbol AVAX in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're on Wealthsimple, go into your cryptocurrency account. Then once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left here at this lower bar and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, scroll down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then on this screen, simply just scroll down until you come across Avalanche coin, ticker symbol AVAX, which is right here, Avalanche, press on Avalanche. Then once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Now to change it from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top, press on market buy, and simply just press on limit buy right here. Then once you're on this screen, type in the highest price you're willing to pay for Avalanche coin. So, as of right now, it's priced at $17.19. If my highest price, for example, was 17, I'll just type in that right here and press on continue. Then on this screen, type in however much money you want to invest into Avalanche coin. So I'll just do $3 for this example, then press on continue. Then once you're on this screen, simply just press confirm at the bottom to confirm your order. And that is how you guys can limit buy Avalanche coin ticker symbol AVAX in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.